Welcome to my YouTube channel, Road Warriors. If you've got oil in your veins and steel in your soul, then buckle up, because today we're taking a deep dive into the 2026 tank T-28, a modernized monster built for the future of combat. Whether you're a gearhead, a military tech buff, or just love raw power in motion, this one's going to blow your mind. At first glance, the T-28 looks like something out of a futuristic war movie, low, wide, armored like a vault, and meaner than a junkyard dog. Inspired by the massive prototype from World War II, the 2026 version brings the same intimidation factor but with a whole lot more brains behind the brawn. The outer shell features modular reactive armor, panels that can be swapped or upgraded depending on mission requirements. There are also smart sensor pods placed around the chassis, feeding data into the tank's command system to help the crew react faster than ever before. And let's not forget the stealth-focused matte finish, making this thing as cool-looking as it is deadly. When it comes to firepower, the T-28 does not play around. Its main gun is a 130mm smoothbore cannon, larger and more powerful than most NATO tanks, capable of punching through next-gen armor from over 3 kilometers away. But it doesn't stop there. It packs a 40mm secondary autocannon to handle infantry and drones, and yes, it also launches its own drones. Mounted in twin vertical pods, these autonomous recon drones can scout ahead, mark enemy positions, and even laser designate targets for precision strikes. It's not just a tank, it's a full-on battlefield command center on treads. And speaking of treads, let's talk performance. Under the hood, the T-28 is powered by a hybrid diesel-electric engine that cranks out 1,500 horsepower. That's enough to move this 60-ton beast at speeds up to 70 km per hour on roads and 50 off-road, with an adaptive suspension system that smooths out the ride over anything from mud to rubble. It's surprisingly quiet for its size too, making it hard to hear before you see it, bad news for anyone on the receiving end. Inside, it's like stepping into the cockpit of a spacecraft. Touchscreen controls line the interior, and each crew member, commander, gunner, and driver, has a helmet with a built-in heads-up display that feeds them real-time data. Most of the tank's routine functions are automated, allowing the crew to focus entirely on strategy and combat. But here's where it gets futuristic: artificial intelligence. The T-28's onboard AI system can track multiple enemy targets, analyze patterns, suggest firing solutions, and even take over movement if the crew is incapacitated. It can retreat, reposition, or engage targets semi-autonomously. In other words, this tank thinks with you, and sometimes for you. So, is the tank T-28 just another armored vehicle? No way. It's a high-tech, multi-role platform built for the battlefields of tomorrow. If you're looking for muscle, mobility, and military-grade inno,